Your smile has arrived in this box. Hi, welcome to the Sporting Smiles instruction video. We're glad you're here. Watch this video before starting your impression. In your impression kit, you'll receive instructions, adjustable impression trays, dental putty and spare putty, a return shipping label, and an order information card. You may have extra supplies if you'll be doing extra impressions. This is all you need to create a perfect smile. Let's get started. Step 1, brush your teeth and wash your hands. Our patented impression trays will fit every size mouth and can be used on the upper or lower teeth. The tray comes in a medium size and may not need to be adjusted. If you need to adjust the tray, you can reduce the width by pushing the tray together. If you need to increase the width, pull the tray apart. If the tray is too long and it doesn't fit in your mouth, you can break off the rear section of the tray. You can check the size by moving the impression tray back and forth in your mouth to confirm that there's an equal distance between the tray and your teeth. Now that the tray is the correct size, you can move on to step 2, the putty. The putty is a 2-part system. You'll want to make sure that your putty is at room temperature. Chilling the putty in the refrigerator for a few minutes will give you a little extra set time. Combine parts A and B as quickly as possible until the putty is uniformly mixed. As soon as the white putty is mixed in completely, stop. You have 20 seconds to mix, but the quicker the better. Now that the putty is mixed, roll it into a 4-inch tube shape. Place the putty into the impression tray. Your front teeth should be positioned here so that you don't end up hitting the front of the tray. Make a mark with a straight edge or toothpick to guide where your front teeth should be positioned, and use a mirror to ensure your front teeth are positioned on the reference mark. Now it's time to get to business. Step 3. Start by placing the tray in your mouth parallel with your teeth. You then want to bite down deeply into the putty, and your lips should be on the outside of the tray. Use your thumbs to push the middle of the tray until the teeth hit the bottom. You want the putty to fully go up and over your gum line. The deeper the impression, the better. Now that you've bitten into the putty, it takes about 4 minutes to fully harden. Don't shift or move the tray while you're waiting for it to harden. Step 4. When the putty has fully hardened, the tray can be removed from your mouth. Use 2 hands and apply pressure to the sides of the tray when removing. Don't use the handle to pull on the impression. You did it! Now that the impression is complete, confirm that it looks correct before shipping it back. Some common issues include too shallow, the putty does not go over your gum line. Too close to the front, your teeth hit the front of the tray. Tray is not sized correctly. The rear molars are off the tray and the tray should not have been widened. Putty not mixed enough. There is a large amount of white putty. The putty should be a uniformed color. Tray was removed too quickly. The putty wasn't fully hardened and was smeared as the tray was being removed. Here is a good upper impression. All the teeth are included and you can see the gum line. This impression is nice and deep and not distorted. Here is a good lower impression. The teeth are fully covered by the impression putty and all teeth are captured. Need some more help? Email us a picture at this angle to info@sportingsmiles.com. We will confirm the impression is good or send you more supplies and help if needed. You're on your way to an amazing smile.